Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kiran Talks. In the recent times, the government of Telangana has brought a scheme called LRS, the Layout Registration Scheme. The objective of this scheme is that the non-agricultural lands which are available in Telangana, they should be registered or they should be get into the control of the HDMA, Hyderabad Metropolitan Registration Authority, or the municipality or the Gram Panchayats. So people who are having non-agricultural lands and having open plots without having buildings constructed in that, they should get their lands registered in either HDMA or municipality or in Gram Panchayats. So the government has imposed some fees for getting registered these open plots, non-agricultural plots. They have imposed the fees in two steps. The first step is that while applying itself, they have to pay a fees of 1,000 rupees. For applying LRS, they have to pay a fees of 1,000 rupees. And after that, the second step is that late after the completion of January 2021, the government officials, they will estimate and they will be telling the final amount whatever the individual has to pay for his particular plot. But ladies and gentlemen, if you see the fees of these registration process, your mind will get absolutely blocked. I am saying the fees are such that they have been divided into different slabs based on the market area for each square yard. For example, if the market value of a plot is 3,000 rupees, then they have to pay 30% of the market value per square yard. Similarly, if it is 5,000 rupees, they have to pay 50%. And if it is 10,000 rupees, they have to pay 75%. And if it is more than 10,000 rupees per square yard, the current market value, then they have to pay 100% as the fees. These are the actual prices. As by the agitation by several opposition parties, the government has come down a little bit and then they have reduced a small amount of prices. Here, I have got a doubt in my mind that what does the government think about the common people? Is that the price bearable by a common man? Does the government think that a person who is having a plot is so rich, he might have got his plot by his ancestors? Now how can he pay such amount of fees? It is almost all buying a new plot. This is one thing. Keeping that aside, why does the government now bring this LRS scheme at this point in time, in this pandemic situation, when people are suffering a lot? Even though they brought it, is this the only the way that they have to do this? The opposition parties alleged that the government has got their treasury, they have got that nil treasury. So that's why they are planning to fulfill their treasury by means of this. Okay, for suppose if this is the case, then is this the only way to get their treasury fulfilled? By imposing so much of fees in the name of LRS? Is there no any other mode of thing that the government can get their treasury fulfilled? On the other hand, Why is the treasury so empty for the government? Are they not getting taxes from the people all the time? What about the amount of crores of rupees that have been poured in the light of COVID from various industrialists and various organizations? What does the government do with all this amount? So, ladies and gentlemen, these are the questions that are popping up in my mind right now. Can you please answer my questions?